This video is for educational purpose only. Don't use this to disrupt someone's privacy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to view or download profile picture from a locked Facebook account. This is how to do it. Open your browser. I'm using Chrome as an example in this video. You can use any browser that supports extensions. You have to download and install this extension. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. Now I'm going to use my profile as an example in this video. I have locked my Facebook profile. We all know that a locked Facebook profile, you can't actually view or download the profile picture. So if you want to download the profile picture of a locked Facebook account, this is what you have to do. After you have downloaded the extension, you click on the extension icon at the top right corner. Make sure it is pinned at the top so that you can see it right here. You have to go to the profile. This is my profile right here. Just click on the extension and click on Unlock Profile. It will take you to this website. You have to scroll down. At this section, you're going to see where it says View Public Media. Click on it. Now scroll down a little bit. You're going to see the profile picture right here. You can view or download. In my case, I'm going to download it. Click on Download. I'm going to select the desktop and click on Download. Now when you go to my desktop, you're going to see the profile picture right here. So that's how you view or download profile picture from a locked Facebook account. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.